just to do a hair now because it cares, y'all.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video you're going to watch me extend some pre-existing locks. So right here I slowed it down so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. I'm using my single prong needle. If I'm not mistaken, it's 0.5 or 0.05 on the needle, one of the two. I just know it's not the 0.75. So yeah, I slowed it down so you can see exactly what I'm doing, and now I'm going to speed it up because obvious reasons. This is not the only technique that you can use. Like, this is just my preferred method. I fluff out the lock and then I comb those ends so that I can have enough hair to pretty much measure the hair that I have to make sure that it's enough to connect the extension to the actual lock. You guys are always asking for tutorials, and this is the best way that I can give you a tutorial until I feel comfortable enough hosting my own class, or pretty much doing a step-by-step in front of the camera kind of thing. I'm just trying to get acclimated with that. But yeah, this is, I just feel comfortable doing it this way and explaining what I'm doing and just showing you guys and explaining my technique as well. Yeah, I just feel more comfortable doing it this way. Let me know if y'all rocking with it. Right now I just slowed it down to where you guys can see my technique on how I attach the lock to the pre-existing lock. So I pretty much take the fluffy part and I'm, fan it out, and then I connect it to the fluffed out part of her already existing locks. And then I use my crochet needle to go in and connect the two, just using an in and out motion. Please be careful when using this technique, or just using a crochet needle, period. It's just dangerous. So you could like shove it up your nail and get it caught under there, and it's a little hook, so it's pulling out whatever's in there as it comes out. So just be careful. What helped me is just not ever taking my eye off of the crochet needle. I don't care if I'm talking. Like, I might look away every now and again just to make sure. I don't know. Shit, I'll just be needing something else to look at. But I feel like nobody, I mean, from my experience, that's what's helped me. Like when I'm trying to do something else, or I'm not paying attention, or I'm not super focused on that crochet needle, that's when things go wrong and it gets shoved in my thumb, or it'll get shoved in my finger or under my nail. And I also keep my nails closely cut, because I don't keep them like too close, but I keep them close enough to where it can't get shoved under the nail. It'll be a little harder to get shoved under my nail. But yeah, those are some of the things that help me pretty much stay on track. Another thing that I wanted to talk about too is I like to personally install my lock extensions first, because I just feel like when I first get them, they're a little stiff. And although, you know, I do cleanse them before attaching them to other people's locks, I like to attach them first, then I take them to the bowl afterwards, because, you know, I can give them a good clean, and I just feel like it meshed to the client's hair a little better, if that makes any sense. It just flows better, in my opinion. I'm about to give my client a good wash. I don't know if you guys saw, but she had a bit of a buildup when she came in. I know you can see it right now as I'm going through and opening up her locks and pretty much taking the water through to cleanse any kind of buildup she has. Unfortunately, she had to get a quick retwist, and the person used beeswax. Luckily, it was only the first time that they used beeswax, so it'll be pretty easy to get out. So I know since she did have some beeswax in, I went in with 2 clarifying shampoos. Then I went in with my moisturizing shampoo, because I know clarifying shampoos can kind of strip your hair of its natural oils, but you know, you always want to put that back with the moisturizing shampoo as well. Then after that, I usually just finish it off with a conditioner. My personal favorite is Rosemary Mint Conditioner by Design Essentials. That is the only conditioner that I feel like I don't have to work into the hair. It just melts directly when I put it onto the scalp. It just melts towards the body heat, if you get what I mean. I don't know. I just feel like that's the only conditioner that I've liked so far. And I've been doing locks and cutting hair for more than 10 years. I don't know. I know everybody is pretty much like anti-conditioner, and they're just like, oh, just use oils. Personally, this method works for me. I've never had a client tell me that they've had buildup. I've never seen any of my clients tell me that they've had buildup after using this conditioner. So yeah, it just works in my opinion. I also know that a lot of people ask me, what products do you use? What products do you use? Everything is listed in the link below. I have an Amazon store, and it has like a list of everything that I use, from editing software, camera, to all the products that I use to retwist, style hair, except for the actual gel that I use. I have backup gels that I don't know, I feel like every stylist should have backup products just in case like somebody goes out of business, or either their product just doesn't work the same as it used to before. But my favorite all time right now, as far as my lock gel, is the Lock That Bit gel by Jessica. Like I linked it in the description, and that stuff is the truth. Just go in, just try it for yourself. Personally, it's never left residue. It's perfect because it's water-based. Soon as like a person could literally not get their hair done for like a month and some change, 2 months, and they literally like when I put the water on the locks, it melts immediately. Like it's no residue, it's no white cakey, nothing. It's just amazing. By far, pretty much the best product that I've used. Also, amazing customer service too. That's a big thing, because if you ain't got good customer service and I'm over here buying your products, best believe you won't have a customer. I won't be the customer anymore. Either way, I just really love their product. So if you're looking for a new product, definitely go cop. So most of my clients, after they get the lock extensions, they really love the 2-strand look. It's, I guess, the easiest thing, and they like the convenience of having 2 styles in one. So like they can wear the 2 strands up for half a month or a month. Afterwards they can take it down, wear it curly. So it just pretty much keeps their hands out of their head, and it just lasts a long time for them. Especially my very active clients. Or because I know that my books is like the Hunger Games. So when I release them books, it's not a guarantee that you will get in. I know some people in the comment section is going to be like, yes, that's true. But yeah, like, I just feel like they like it because they get to wear their hair down and they get to retain the retwist. So, you know, they'll be able to see their scalp a little longer. Some people prefer that. All right, guys, we've come to the end of this video. Here's the before and here's the after. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you think in the comments, if I should do a little more voiceovers for you guys, or I guess voiceover tutorials. And let me know what you think. All right, peace.